Hey, it's another trip down memory lane. See, this was a little trip that we took in 2009. Great Lakes Pop-Up Camping Club that we were in. Still are. That's our pop-up. We had that thing for 8 years.
We wore it out.
Oh yeah, we camped everywhere in that thing.
It done us good.
We took an 7 or 8 state trip in it once. And that was a blast. Those pictures will come up later, I'm sure. We did a lot of hiking here. We can't really remember a lot about this trip, but we did a lot of hiking here. There's an 1800s roller mill here, but we didn't know about it apparently at the time.
Or we would have took the kids.
Yeah, so we got to go back here
yes,
one of these days. Check this mill out. There's tours and corn grinding demonstrations there. This place has an archery range, basketball courts, 5 boat launches, fishing, ice fishing, fishing piers, hiking trails, horseshoe pits, limited hunting. Of course, got a nature center, picnicking, shelter houses, playground equipment. You can rent fishing boats here, go swimming at the beach, volleyball courts, water skiing, and wildlife viewing areas. For camping, it's got electric, 240 electric sites, 37 non-electric, 35 primitive sites, U-tent area, camp store, and a dump station. No water hookups, but they do have water there at the park, I do remember.
Yeah, they got the RV dump station and water fill.
Yeah.
But I mean,
Cecil M. Harden Lake, I think's the name of it was the name of the lake. Raccoon State Recreation Area. Very beautiful area down there, I will say.
Southern Indiana.
Rockville, Indiana.
Rockville, yeah.
But yeah, apparently we did a lot of hiking. That's all the pictures were just us hiking. And we really need to get back there because, like I said, we didn't know about that mill.
Yeah,
we're going to go check it out one of these times. If anybody else is over there, check that mill out. In this park. This is another one you ain't going to regret because it's beautiful, wouldn't you say?
I would say so. I want to go back now because that
you don't remember a lot either.
I don't remember a lot either.
But yeah, really.
Got memories, but we don't remember them. That's bad.
Yeah.
We have to create new ones.
So go ahead and enjoy the rest of it. Just a couple more minutes left, and thanks for watching, folks.
There's caves there, apparently.
Yep.
And we're gonna have to go back.
Oh yeah, I agree, definitely.
I mean,
yes.
Now I got the itch to explore.
Oh, me too. Me too.
Not right now, it's cold.
Well, anyway.
Enjoy
the rest of the pictures. Like I said, only a minute and a half, couple minutes left. Everybody enjoy their day, and thanks for watching.